Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and you're watching One India News YouTube channel. Salman Khan has always been in headlines for something or the other. Here's a look at instances when Salman hit headlines for the wrong reasons. We remember 1999 Black Buck case. Well, Salman was accused of poaching 3 chinkaras and a black buck in Jodhpur in September 1998 during the shoot of Hum Saath Saath Hain. The Forest Department even registered a case under Arms Act, alleging that the licenses of the weapons used by him had expired and thereby making the use illegal. The actor, along with Saif Ali Khan, Sonali Bendre, Neelam and Tabu, still fighting the case at Jodhpur court. Salman was charged of running his car into American Express Bakery on Hill Road in Bandra, killing 1 person and injuring 3 others. After a trial that lasted 13 years, the actor was acquitted by Bombay High Court in December 2015. However, the Maharashtra government moved the Supreme Court against the acquittal in January 2016. In 2002, Aishwarya Rai's showdown. Salman Khan's possessiveness about his then lady love Aishwarya Rai was well known. It was alleged that he often got violent with the actress. Salman has also created a ruckus on the sets of Shah Rukh Khan's production Chalte Chalte, as a result of which Ash was replaced with Rani Mukherjee overnight. This incident was the beginning of tension between Salman and Shah Rukh Khan. Well, threatening calls to Vivek Oberoi were also in headlines. I'm talking about the year 2003, when Vivek Oberoi, who began dating Aishwarya Rai after her split with Salman, found himself at the receiving end of Salman's wrath. In a press conference, the company actor claimed that Salman called him up 41 times in the space of one night and threatened to beat him up for his involvement with Ash. Interestingly, it is this run-in with Salman that is often cited as one of the reasons for Vivek's downfall in the industry. Even though Salman practices Islam in his personal life, Salman has been an ardent follower of Lord Ganesha. When the actor attended the Lal Bagh Raja Mandal in Bareilly-based Darul Ifta Manjare-Islam issued a fatwa against him. They stated that Islam prohibits idol worship and unless Salman reads the kalmas all over again, he will not be considered Muslim. The 2008 big fight with Shah Rukh Khan. The kick actor got into a war of words with Shah Rukh Khan at the former's then-girlfriend Katrina Kaif's birthday party. While Salu allegedly instigated Shah Rukh by teasing him about the poor performance of his TV show Kya Aap Panchvi Paas Se Tez Hai, things got heated when Shah Rukh rumoredly passed a remark about Aishwarya Rai. It created a divide between them, with neither of the actors willing to even see eye to eye. The duo reconciled only in 2015. 2010 26/11 terrorist attack comment. Salman sparked an outrage when in an interview to a Pakistani channel, the actor said the 26/11 terrorist attacks got hyped because it was the elite that was targeted. Needless to say, the Bajrangi Bhaijaan star faced huge criticism over this statement. He even rendered a public apology for the same. In 2014, Salman was dancing at Sci-Fi Mahotsav. When Salman, along with the other stars like Alia Bhatt and Madhuri Dixit, performed at the Sci-Fi Mahotsav, they were slammed for having performed for a celebrity function in the state when children were dying in relief camp in Muzaffarnagar in the same state. The Jai Ho actor lashed out at the media, saying that he was just doing his job and the issue was blown out of proportion. Uttarayan with Narendra Modi in 2014. Right before the release of his film Jai Ho, Salman met Narendra Modi, who was then campaigning for the prime ministerial position. The actor was accused of promoting Modi. However, Salman reacted by saying that he was just celebrating Uttarayan with Modi and it did not have any political leaning. 2015 headlines on tweets on Yaqub and Tiger Memon. In a series of tweets, Salman defended the 1993 Mumbai serial blast convict Yaqub Memon. The actor said that it should be Yaqub's brother, Tiger, who should be hanged to death instead of him. The comments sparked outrage across the nation. His father, Salim Khan, salvaged the situation, saying that Salman's comments were meaningless. The actor even rendered an apology. Well, these are the controversies which landed Salman Khan and made huge headlines. That's all in this video. If you've liked it, please hit like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.